Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let me ask you something. How often do you walk into your meeting room and everything looks perfect, but then the audio lets you down? Muffled voices, uneven sound. Yes, we've all been there. But today, we'll be looking into this solution designed by Yealink, the Yealink CS10 ceiling speaker. Let's dive deep into the specs of this device to see why it might be the right upgrade for your conference space. The CS10 is designed to give clear, even sound across the whole room, whether you're in a small huddle space or a large conference area. Inside it, it has two separate speaker parts, a bigger one for deep sounds like voices and a smaller one for higher sounds like the tone of speech or background music. This combo means it can play a full range of audio clearly from bass to treble. The CS10 is also surprisingly powerful. It can get loud enough to fill a room without distorting the sound. That's important when multiple people are speaking or you're using it in a bigger space. So here's where it gets smart. The CS10 uses something called PoE+, which means it gets both power and audio through one single network cable. No need for a separate power outlet or amplifier. It's cleaner, simpler, and easy to install, especially in modern offices with lots of tech. It's also flexible when it comes to where you can mount it, whether your ceiling is solid, tiled, or something in between. The CS10 is designed to fit. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you've got any queries with regards to this product, or if you want to see this product live in action, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.